Eaton Cummins automated transmissions were designed for superior reliability, performance, and efficiency. This driver video will get you started as you head out on the road in your International LT truck.
Hi, I'm Zach.
Hi, I'm David.
And today we're going to talk to you about traction control in the Endurant transmission, as well as traction control and other Eaton Cummins automated products. First of all, David, what is traction control?
Well, traction control is a way for the vehicle to regain control in the event of a wheel spin situation. What happens is the traction control system will apply the brakes to the wheel that's spinning so that the wheel that is not spinning can gain traction and you can get out of a sticky situation.
When might I experience traction control?
So you might experience this if you are in loose soil, if you're in icy or snowy conditions, anytime when traction is low.
Will traction control have any effect on the transmission's shifting ability?
Yeah, so when the traction control event occurs, you'll see a light come on the dash, which indicates that one of the wheels is starting to spin. What's going to happen on the transmission side is we will prevent a shift from occurring, so the driver might notice that it's not shifting when it normally would be, or he might notice that the engine is starting to lose power, and that's because the engine is defueling to prevent more power going to those wheels.
What should I do if the truck gets stuck?
So in the event that the truck gets stuck, what you will do is you actually place the transmission into low. You will notice that the truck will go down to first gear. A little L will appear in the gear display where you're normally seeing a D for drive. And at this point, you turn your traction control back on and you allow yourself to walk out of that situation.
So how would I power through a snowdrift, let's say?
So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first put the transmission into manual mode by pressing in on the shift stop. When that happens, you're going to see an M come up in the gear display where it used to be a D for drive. Once you have that going, you're going to hit the off-road button. Once you hit the off-road button, you're going to notice that your traction control light should be flashing in your display. And this means that you're going to be able to actually get your wheels to spin. From here, you can power through and maintain that momentum as you're going through the different situations. And once you're done, simply press the shift lever, change it back from manual mode to drive mode.
And at that point, it will continue shifting automatically?
Exactly. Now the automated functionality has returned to the transmission.
Great, thanks.
No problem.